I think almost 13 and 40 participants are there. So we'll start. Please switch off your mics and be ready. We are starting our session. Right. So, a very good afternoon to you all. How are you all? Yes, I know it's a bit difficult question to
So,
answer because though all you're fine, you're not happy. This quarantine period has deprived you of your freedom to play in the open. But we have no choice but to live with it. To keep all of you occupied, your parents and teachers are all be trying their best by planning some or the other activity. I hope all of you are doing the training workouts uploaded in the AES website. Coming to the main aim of conducting this online webinar, of late, many parents have expressed their concern the unexpected changes in the behavioral patterns and attitude of their children. From all the inputs collected, I have concluded the two main reasons for this behavior. One, more screen time, and second, less or nil physical activity. So, today I'll try to make you all understand the dire need of physical activity at this juncture and how it combat stress in the days of e-learning. Now, what you see in the screen now are the newspaper articles. Online classes taking mental physical toll on children, the study is going on. Eye strain from digital classes, a major health concern for students. Now, these articles are regarding the effects of excessive screen time. The Ministry of Human Resources, CBSE, AES, all are exploring the best possible ways to make interesting study materials available. These are chalked out keeping in mind the need to reduce your exposure to the virtual screen. However, majority of you are engaged in subject enrichment classes, tuitions, hobby classes, thus adding to your screen time. All this exposure to the electronic screen is causing major health concerns. Now, what is health? Health is defined according to World Health Organization as a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Now, there are three types of lifestyle. One is physical active lifestyle, second physical inactive lifestyle, and third is sedentary lifestyle. Now, what is physical activity? It is any movement that uses energy. It's a broad umbrella term that covers all body movements. Whatever you're doing, all body movements cover under that. Exercises are a subset of physical activity. It comes under the physical activity. Now, second is physical inactivity. It means low level of physical activity. Physical activity is there, but low level of that. It means an invitation to lifestyle disease. What are lifestyle diseases? Coronary heart diseases, type 2 diabetes, stroke, cancer, osteoporosis, etc. Now, the third stage, third lifestyle, very dangerous one, it is sedentary. That means sitting or lying down across the day. Example, the jobs like desk based or sitting at home on a personal computer, laptop, etc. Again, third is lifestyle diseases. Now, next is fitness. Fitness can be defined as the measure of the body's ability to function efficiently and effectively in work and leisure activities, to be healthy, resist diseases, and to meet emergency situations or unforeseen situations. Fitness can be categorized in two major components. One is health related fitness component, and second is performance related fitness component. The under health related fitness components like cardiorespiratory fitness, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, and body composition. The performance related fitness, it is also called as specific or task oriented fitness or skill related fitness. Under that, six factors comes. One is speed, agility, reaction time, balance, coordination, and power. These things are very much required for a game situation when you are playing actively on the ground. Now, today I'll be focusing on health related fitness component, which is very essential for an individual to become physically and mentally fit and healthy. Now, what is health related fitness component? It is often called as general fitness. It is very much required for any individual to sustain life, to be active. Now, health related fitness relates to the overall physical well being of an individual. As I told, it is divided into five main components. One is cardiorespiratory fitness, second is muscular strength, third is muscular endurance, fourth is flexibility, and fifth is body composition. Now, the most important component at this present pandemic situation, we have to focus cardiorespiratory fitness. Cardio, heart related, respiratory, lungs related. So it is the ability of the blood vessels, heart and lungs to supply oxygen and nutrient rich blood to different parts of the body, especially working group of muscles. The muscles which are actively involved while playing or while doing any act. Now, if the heart and lungs are able to supply oxygen rich blood, then our cardiorespiratory fitness is very high and we are very smart, we will be very energetic, agile. And if it is not, we'll feel lethargic and lazy. A normal individual heart rate is 72 beats in a minute. That means heart beats 72 times in a minute. जो heart धक धक करता है 72 times in a minute to supply oxygen rich blood to different parts of the body. Now, just listen this point. The trained athlete or marathon runners or long distance cyclists have heartbeat as low as 38 to 45 beats per minute. तो हमें लगेगा 38 to 45 बीट्स मतलब बहुत कम है मतलब उन्हें एथलीट कुछ हो जाएगा नो दिस मीन्स देयर हार्ट इज हेल्थियर द साइज ऑफ द हार्ट इज ऑफ फिस्ट साइज and in athletes the physical size of the heart is bigger and stronger. Exercise makes heart muscles strong so that it contracts more powerful to pump out more blood into the arteries. A normal heart pumps out 10.2 liters of blood in a minute in ordinary conditions, while a trained athlete or a trained person, a sports person, pumps out 22 liters. So the athletic heart, again an example of athletic heart. So this procedure, it can pump the same amount of blood with 50 beats per minute. Compared to an ordinary person, it requires 75 beats per minute. Thus, the athletic heart, we can say, works less, rests more, and consequently takes a much longer time to wear out. Now, lungs. Lungs require 1500 cubic centimeter of oxygen per minute. During vigorous exercise, this demand is increased up to 4000 cubic centimeter, resulting in greater vital capacity. The chest expands and rate of the breathing slows down. Physical exercise deepens the chest and exposes more blood to oxygen over greater area. Now, how to check the pulse or the heart rate? The pulse rate, resting pulse rate, is best when taken in morning on awakening. So we can check the pulse here. You might, when you used to go to a doctor, he used to check the pulse. We can use the index finger and middle finger and keep it over this artery, radial artery, like this, and take the count for 15 seconds. You can feel the pulse there. To take it for 15 seconds. Into multiply it by 4. For 1 minute you will get. Otherwise, we can take it in the carotid artery here. How to develop cardiorespiratory fitness? It's jogging for 30 minutes or longer, slow form of running, cycling, swimming, dancing, skipping. jumping jacks, etc. Aerobic exercises and climbing stairs also helps to develop cardiovascular. Now, while doing these activities, we have got enormous benefits. The blood vessels become flexible and healthy. If the blood vessels are rigid, there's a condition to develop blood pressure. The blood pressure increases. Now, these type of cardiovascular fitness activity are a great stress buster, and it increases our self-esteem and self-respect. So, when it is increased, our mind becomes positive. Next is muscular strength. Muscular strength is the ability of the muscles to overcome a resistance. So the resistance can be weights, table, chair, own body resistance. Example, we are doing a bicep curls. You know very well that we are using a barbell and doing this. This is known as bicep curl. You should understand one thing. We have got 600 odd muscle group in our body. 600, 600. And we need to strengthen these in order to be physically healthy. Now, how to develop this muscular strength? Activities like jogging, swimming, push-ups, sit-ups, the weight-bearing exercise with the weight plates and other things, with dumbbells and other things. Recreational activities. Recreational activities means games like football, volleyball, basketball, badminton, yoga. Muscular strength. It gives body a good and proper posture. Proper posture means proper alignment of the body. You have seen that students or people with round shoulders or a condition like this kyphosis. So these are the postural defects. So if we develop muscular strength, it gives our body a good and proper posture. Muscular strength increases metabolic rate. I know you all have learned in bio that what is metabolic, but still I'll explain. Metabolism is a set of physical and chemical process happening inside the body to sustain life. In simpler terms, all our organs inside our body, like brain, heart, lungs, liver, intestine, all requires energy for normal functioning. And this energy they get is from food. This is known as basal metabolic rate. You should understand this term, basal metabolic rate. Now, basal metabolic rate is different for different people. For men, it is higher. For women, it is lower. For young children, for young people, metabolic rate is high. BMR is higher. For aged people, it is low. For tall people, again, it is high compared to short people. Now, if you are more muscular, metabolic rate is very high. Now, what is this metabolic rate? What is the use? The higher the basal metabolic rate, the more calories you will burn. So, in turn, what is happening? It is easier to lose weight. Now, food that boosts metabolism. All spices, cinnamon, turmeric, black pepper, garlic, fennel seeds, coconut oil, cucumber, yogurt, curd, almonds, flax seeds, citrus fruits, watermelon, etc. Now again, if the muscular strength is more, it will burn more calories. Energy value, what is calorie? Energy value of food is measured in heat units called calorie or kilocalorie. Calorie is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree. It is very clear that vegetables and fruits have very less calorie and is nutritionally very dense. So a major part of our diet, our food intake, should be from these sources. But remember, potato, mango, banana, chiku, it has got high calories. So use them wisely. Now I'll give some examples just for your understanding. In whom you'll be using, your mummy will be using different vegetables to cook. Certain examples I'll be giving you. 100 gram of cucumber or tomato will give 15 calorie. Means it has got 15 calorie, the 100 gram of cucumber or tomato. In case of egg white, carrot, orange, apple, 100 grams of these is almost equal to 50 to 60 calorie. 1 cup tea with milk and sugar is equal to 100 calorie. Again, as I told you earlier, chiku. 100 grams of chiku gives you 100 calories. You should be very careful in that. Now, the chapati. Your mummy used to cook chapati. There, an average chapati, one chapati, almost 25 grams weight, it gives 100 calories. So, if you are taking three chapati, so 100 into 3, you're taking 300 calories. Remember this. Then the fried rice, 100 grams give you 120 calories. 1 cup of sugar give you 184 calories. Now the most dangerous one, but it is very much required also. Peanuts we used to eat, it is very tasty. 100 gram of peanuts have 567 calories. Now for your information, you have learned 1 gram of carbohydrate gives 4 calories. 1 gram of protein also gives 4 calories, whereas 1 gram of fat gives 9 calories. So, if muscular strength, it also helps to reduce your fat percentage in body. The fat percentage in female is more compared to male. It is due to the hormone called estrogen. Now, in order to lose 1 kg of fat, 7,700 calories have to be burned. I repeat, lose 1 kilogram of fat from our body, 7,700 calories have to be burned. Swimming for 1 hour loses approximately 400 to 500 calories. Now, as metabolic rate increases, good muscle strength is there, it will help to burn more calories, leading to reduction in fat percentage. Now, the muscle strength, again, it increases our bone density. You all know that we have got 206 bones in our body. Now, when we do strength related activities, as I told you, weight bearing exercises, push ups, pull ups, it all develops our strength, muscles. When you do this type of activities, the density of bone increases. Nutrients and calcium gets deposited in the bone, and as a result, bone becomes strong, which will avoid osteoporosis at a later stage. Now, this is the personal energy requirement. I told you about the calorie part. Now, what is the basic energy requirement? See, as I told you, the basal metabolic rate, our body requires energy. So, the personal energy requirement of our body is the basic energy requirement plus extra energy requirement. The basic energy requirements means for every kilogram of body, 1.3 calories of energy is required every hour. I've given an example of a 50 kg. For example, an athlete weighing 50 kg, he requires 1.3 into 24 hours one day. 1.3 into 24 hours equal to 50 kg of his weight. So he requires 1560 calories per day. Now, what are the extra energy requirements? For each hour of training, for example, I'm training for 1 hour a day. I require 8.5 calories of energy for each kilogram of body weight. Again, the same example, 50 kilogram of body weight. For example, the 50 kilogram of body weight into 8.5 into 1 hour comes to 425 calories. So when this is added together, it comes to 1985. So for a 50 kg person, 1985 calories required. Otherwise, for simple BMR, 1560 calories is required for a 50 kg person. So now you can calculate of your body weight. You can do the maths over there at your level. Now, the next is muscular endurance. It is the ability of the muscles to continually
Hello,
contract
sir.
over an extended length of time without.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it's told that doing some push-ups and that muscular activities,
No, I,
it
I,
stops our growth.
I'll be explaining. If there are some questions or other things, I'll be explaining at the last. Let me complete this. If there's some question answers, that time is left, we'll be discussing that. Don't worry. Who is
Okay.
that? तो
Ishan.
हाँ क्या तो लास्ट में आप पूछ लेना कुछ भी है we'll discuss it. Don't worry. हाँ.
Okay.
Next is muscular endurance. It is the ability of muscles to continually contract over an extended length of time without fatigue. Example boxing. जो आप लोग अपने भाई बहन के साथ करते होंगे वही. It is required for day to day life like running, walking, jogging or doing basic workout. at home, office, school, standing, sitting for longer periods. घर पे आप हेल्प करते होंगे अभी के सिचुएशन में, लाइक ग्रूमिंग, मॉपिंग, वॉशिंग क्लोथ. आई होप आप लोग हेल्प करते होंगे मम्मी को. मैं पूछ तो नहीं रहा हूँ मम्मी से, ठीक है. नाउ द मेन फिजियोलॉजी बिहाइंड द मस्कुलर एंड्योरेंस. If muscular endurance is good, energy level of body will be high. We have learned about mitochondria, if I'm not wrong. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, and it is responsible for producing and giving energy to the cells of the body. Research states that up to the age of 18 years, the number and size of mitochondria in a cell increases or improves. But after that, a steep decline is there. But in that case, the energy goes up. But research also states that doing muscular endurance activity improves the number and size of mitochondria in the cell after the set age. Now, how to develop muscular endurance? In weight training, in weight training activities. I think now Ishan will get the answer from this. In weight training activities, like we are doing a bicep curls or any activity, if we are decreasing the weight and increasing the repetition. For example, I am using for bicep curls, I am using a 10 kg weight, 10 kg weight, and I am doing 15 repetitions. 15 repetitions, 10 kg weight and 15 repetition. Here I am increasing my muscular endurance. Now, the other side, if this 10 kg, I am doubling it like 20 kg and I am reducing the repetition 7 to 8, I am improving my muscular strength. So you should understand muscular strength and muscular endurance. Muscular strength means क्या है? वो बोलते बॉयज बोलते हैं ना, हमें डोले शोले चाहिए, हमें बॉडी चाहिए, सलमान खान बॉडी चाहिए. दैट इज मस्कुलर स्ट्रेंथ फॉर हाइपरट्रॉफी ऑफ द मसल. उसमें if you have to develop, then you have to increase the weight and less repetition. And for a marathon runners, for a fit body, if it is to be increased, then the weight should be less and more number of repetitions should be done. Next is flexibility. Flexibility is the range of motion or movements around a joint. If we are not flexible, our body becomes stiff and our movement decreases. Flexibility also helps to prevent injuries, correct muscle imbalance. If you might have seen, if you are doing some activity, for example, push up or something, if I'm a right hander, if I'll throw a ball, while throwing with the right hand, the distance will be covered more compared to the left hand. If I'll throw, the distance will be less. So the muscle imbalance, if we are doing proper flexibility exercise, it improves, it corrects our muscles, improves balance, again posture, so which result to reduce pain and aches as we age. Now types of flexibility are three, mainly ballistic stretching, slow sustained or static stretching, dynamic stretching. Again, one more is there, PNF, proprioceptive nuclear facilitation. But these all are scientifically proven to improve flexibility. And how to develop flexibility? Yoga, gymnastics, acrobatics. Now, the most important, body composition. Body composition is the relative amount of muscle, fat, bone, and other vital parts of the body. Body is composed of two types of body mass. One is body fat and non-fat mass. Body fat means it consists of two things: essential fat and non-essential fat. Essential fat for life and healthy body. It is seen in fat is seen in bone marrow, heart, lungs, liver, kidney. It helps to regulate the temperature, vitamin absorption, hormone regulation, etc. Now the non-essential fat is very dangerous, but it is also very much required. It accumulates in the adipose tissue, located around internal organs and directly beneath the skin. It provides bodily protection and serves as an insulator to conserve body heat. The next is non-fat mass. The lean body, it's also called as lean body mass. It includes muscles, bone, ligament, tendon, and internal organs. You should understand one thing: the non-fat mass, it burns more calorie for energy, while the body fat does not. In the diagram, you can see the percentage of healthy body composition. It varies for men and women. Due to lack of time, just I'll move into the next slide. Yeah, most important part, obesity. An excess accumulation of body fat. You can see the newspaper article. Indians aged between 5 and 19 years are increasingly getting obese, according to a report by commission formed by WHO. And the alarming consequences: high BP, type 2 diabetes, heart diseases, osteoporosis. Now, how to assess the obesity? It can be measured in several ways. One is BMI, body mass index. It's a measurement of person's leanness based on their height and weight, and is intended to quantify the tissue mass. कितना tissue mass जानने के लिए. So we can say that BMI, body mass, is equal to weight in kilogram divided by height in meters square. For example, मेरा weight 50 kg है तो 50 और height 150 centimeter तो 50 kg divided by 150 into 150 is my body mass index. Now you can see the score I've given below for Asians as well as non-Asians. That is for Asians, as if after doing the math, whatever the score will get, if it is less than 18.5, then we come under the category underweight. If it is 18.5 to 22.9, it's a normal weight. Now 23 to 27.5, again overweight, and 27.66 to 39.99, it's obese, and other one is morbidly obese. Now we can understand one thing. To know why and how obesity occurs, we should understand the concept energy balance equation. It's a simple phrase to understand. The difference between the number of calories consumed and the number of calories expended in a given of time of in a given period of time. मतलब ओबेसिटी को कैसे मतलब समझ में आ रहा है कि हम जितना खाते हैं और कितना एक्सपेंडिचर होता है, उसका जो डिफरेंस है, दैट्स इज एनर्जी बैलेंस इक्वेशन. नाउ देयर आर थ्री पॉसिबल सिनेरियोस आर देयर. One, if the calorie intake or consumed is equal to calorie expended in the form of basal metabolic rate, physical activity, and other means, then we have got a normal weight. Our weight do not change. It's a good thing, and we should always follow that. Second scenario, if the calorie consumed is higher than the calorie expended, मतलब जितना आपने ज़्यादा खाया और कुछ एक्टिविटी नहीं किया, then what is happening? Positive energy is developing there. So what happened? Our weight increases. Body weight increases. Whatever we are eating, that energy is converted to fat and it is stored in fat cells. Now ये बहुत बड़ा dangerous situation है. The third scenario is calorie consumed is lesser than the calorie expended. मतलब calorie expenditure is more, but calorie intake is less. Then again it comes to a negative energy. There our body weight goes on decreasing, going on underweight stage, and it is also as critical like overweight or obese. Now, next we can understand how to assess obesity. The next method is the waist hip ratio. It is the measurement of waist circumference divided by hip circumference. So I've given a measurement also how to do that, how to calculate other things. Don't worry, I'll be forwarding the slide, the PPT to your class WhatsApp group so you'll learn. So I've given the conditions, both waist circumference and what are the scores, what are the low, medium, and high risk, everything I've explained. So it is very, it's self-explanatory in the slide itself. Now the next is immunity. The human body has the ability to resist almost all type of organisms or toxins that tend to damage the tissues and organs. This capability is called immunity. So according to World Health Organization, we can say that to improve our immunity, we should be very active, very healthy. Now, you can see in this slide the children and adolescents. Children and adolescents aged 5 to 17 years. There are different categories. They are explained. WHO have explained what all the activities to be undertaken, but I'm just mainly because we are concerned with this age category, so I'm explaining that. So, the children and adolescents aged 5 to 17 years should do at least 60 minutes a day of moderate to vigorous intensity physical activity. Don't worry, moderate and vigorous intensity physical activity. In the next slide, I'll be explaining. In addition to that, they should have activities that strengthen the muscles and bones, which should be done at least 3 days per week. So this moderate physical activity, what it refers to, any activity burns 3.5 to 7 calories per minute. Like brisk walking, dancing, swimming, recreation, bicycling, etc. all comes under that category. Now, As I told you, what is moderate physical activity and everything is explained in this slide. Category of exercise. There are three category of exercise. One is low intensity exercise, that is 40 to 50 percentage of maximum heart rate. Then moderate intensity exercise is 50 to 70 percentage of maximum heart rate. Now high intensity exercise 70 to 80 percentage of maximum heart rate. Now what is this maximum heart rate? It is a simple way to calculate is 220 minus your age. I have given an example here of a 14-year child. So for him, 220 minus 40 is 206. Now what is this 206? It means his maximum heart rate. He should not perform an activity more than this 206 pulse rate. He should not do anything activity more than that. So it should come under that. So an example of low intensity exercise I've given. So 206 into 40, I've told you 40% is equal to into 0.40. It comes to 82.4. Now 50% is 206 into 0.50. It comes to 103. So he should target 82.4 to 103 for low intensity activity. Like that, when it comes to moderate intensity activities, we have to calculate 206 into 0.50, then 206 into 0.70, like that it goes. Now there's other method also to calculate this exercise intensity, that is sing and talk. मेरे ख्याल से ये आपके लिए fit रहेगा. First one is low intensity exercise. If you can talk and sing without gasping, आप कुछ exercise कर रहे हो, फ्रेंड्स के साथ जा रहे हो, दौड़ रहे हो, एंड आप बात भी कर सकते हो और एक गाना भी गा सकते हो आप हाफे बिना, then it's a low intensity exercise. Second is moderate intensity exercise. That means if you can comfortably talk but not sing while doing an activity, it is a moderate intensity activity. Third one is vigorous intensity activity. It means that if you can't sing and can't talk or even say more than a few words without gasping for breath, it is a vigorous intensity activity. Now, the most important thing, the circadian rhythm. So from the chart, it is very clear that what all activities to be done, and or we can say that the circadian rhythm is the natural cycle of physical, mental, and behavioral changes that goes through the body in a 24-hour cycle. Means we can say that it's a body's internal clock. We will start from morning 6 to 8. You can see 6 to 8 a.m. There, it's a secretion of cortisol is there. Then we can see that sensitivity to insulin. Then we can see start of intestinal movements. So again, cortisol. What is this cortisol? It helps to reduces or controls the blood sugar level. It regulates metabolism. It helps to reduce the inflammation involved. Assists with memory formulation. It has a controlling effect on the salt and water balance. Thereby, it controls also blood pressure. In a high insulin sensitivity, it is very good and it is seen in morning. Now, next from 9 to 1 p.m. during the school hours, we can see that it's high cognitive capacity. That's a good memory skill is developed. So, cognitive capacity means what? It's the mental ability, the ability to reason, comprehensive abilities, the solve problems, learn quickly. All this comes under. Then 2 to 4 p.m. again, slight fall in attention. A slight nap is required during that time. Now, next is 5 to 8 p.m. Again, maximum body temperature is there. Maximum muscular force should be used. Cardiovascular activity should be done. There, the exercise. Now, I'll stress on more on this exercise part. While doing this exercises, it releases happy hormones like endorphins. What is this endorphins? It reduces stress and promotes relaxation. You can relax, you can sleep properly at night. It increases brain sensitivity to serotonin, that is happy hormone, which helps to ward off depression, anxiety, fear, etc. Now, exercise increases the function of hippocampus. Again, hippocampus is the brain structure responsible for learning, memory, motivation, emotion, etc. From 9 to 10, again, melatonin, the hormone, it secretion starts. It's a hormone primarily released by the pineal gland that regulates the sleep wake cycle. Then again from 10 to 11 you can see the sleep pattern for adults, how much sleep is required for adolescents, how much sleep is required for children. From 12 to next day morning 6, what all the schedule it is there, the cases of the minimum reflexes are there, everything is given in the chart, in the slide. These are the slides, slides by the WHO. Please have a look. I felt I should finish before the time, so I'm just moving out. Yeah, the next, the most important point. Children, our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi had launched a Fit India movement. It's on August 29th, 2019, on the National Sports Day, with the main intention to encourage children, youth, and elders to participate in a fitness movement in the form of different physical activities for 365 days, for 365 days a year, for a stronger, healthier nation. In continuation to that, Sri Narendra Modi had also initiated a fitness challenge to different personalities in sports, movie industry, politician. See, this is right. I'll be showing a movie, a 5-minute movie at the last. So I feel that I felt that as the National Sports Day and week is going on, and as unfortunately we are unable to step out, we shall have a fitness challenge this year, right inside our homes. I'll be demonstrating different exercises with different difficulty levels. You have to choose any one exercise as a fitness challenge and perform for minimum 15 seconds to maximum 1 minute. You have to record the video of the challenge and send to me. We'll compile it and form a final video. In this regard, I'll be forming a WhatsApp group with the title Fitness Challenge, and we'll send the link to each class WhatsApp group and you can join the group. The method to do the exercise, a slogan, and other details will be posted in that WhatsApp group. Please ask your parents' concern before participation. I'll appreciate if you encourage your parents to accept this fitness challenge. In case if any of your friends miss this online webinar session, please brief them about the challenge. I will also post the PPT of this session in each class WhatsApp group along with the movie clip for your understanding and reference. So be ready for this challenge. Now the final slide, and with this one movie clip is there. Let us go a little bit fast. An activity is performed for minimum 18 days becomes a habit, and an average 66 days becomes automatic. So be energetic and start physical activity from today. You should understand all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy, and all play and no work makes Jack a mere toy. So be happy, do exercise, play, study, stay home, stay safe. Please have just watch the movie clip.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं जब भी प्रधानमंत्री जी को देखता हूं तो उनसे प्रेरित होता हूं। एक जबरदस्त ऊर्जा है, दिन रात काम करते हैं और वो चाहते हैं कि पूरा भारत फिट हो जाए। अब मैं उनसे प्रेरित होकर अपने काम में थोड़ा सा व्यायाम शामिल कर लेता हूं। आपके फिटनेस का मंत्र क्या है? एक वीडियो बनाइए, पिक्चर खींचिए और सोशल मीडिया पे डालिए ताकि पूरा देश प्रेरित हो जाए। आइए हम सब मिलकर एक फिट इंडिया बनाएं। हम फिट तो इंडिया फिट।
Hello, sir. I accept your challenge. So here's my favorite core workout.
So this is Kiran Rijiju, the sports minister and MP. Earlier one, we've seen Colonel Rajvardhan Singh Rathore, the Olympic gold, the medalist, and our ex-sports minister. And this is Dr. Harshvardhan, the Minister of Science and Technology. He really is a motivator. At this age, he is doing exercise. Now, the Suresh Raina, the Indian cricketer. Robin Uthappa, Indian cricketer. Ajinkya Rahane, again, Indian cricketer. Veda Krishnamurthy, the Indian cricketer. Indian cricket women team. Next is Mithali Raj, again Indian cricketer. Srikanth Kidambi, badminton player. Again Geeta Phogat, Dangal movie ladki. Again Babita Phogat, sister, Indian wrestler. Yogeshwar Dutt, Bajrang Punia, Indian wrestler. Krishnan Sarwat. They all are Indian team members who have represented Olympics or part of the Olympic team. Now again Pooja Danda is a girl lifting up a man. Now Vinesh Phogat, again Dangal sister. You can see the caption, Hum fit to India fit. Soumya Tandon, movie actress. Ada Sharma, Bollywood actress. Anushka Sharma, Bollywood actress. Again, Varun Dhawan, Dole Sholay. Boys, have a look. N. Rama Rao Jr., Telugu actor. In Naga Chaitanya, again, is a Telugu actor. Sonakshi Sinha, Bollywood actress. With the equipment available, they all are doing this activity. So be fit, healthy, accept the challenge. Yeah, with this, we have completed our session. So as I've told you at the last that how many days to develop a behavior or a habit, it requires 18 days minimum. So if we do start doing physical activity, 18 to 254 days is required. But start physical activity minimum 18 days, it becomes a habit or behavior. Now to make it a permanent, automatic by default behavior or habit, we should do it on an average 66 days. I hope I've touched all the important points. So main thing is that you have to do physical activity. You have to do physical activity regularly and without fail so that not only you are improving the immunity, you will be fit and fine. Now this period you might not have moved out of the house. So you have to do the activity and with this again uh, I'm sure that you many are doing that the workout which I have forwarded in the ES website. In case if you have missed that, again in the YouTube also there's a channel with my name as Sharma Pillai. There are all the three workouts I have put. Have a look. Please do some activity. Make yourself fit and fine. We do not know when our school will start, but we should be fit and fine. अगर आप लोग fit and fine नहीं है तो forget about all intra competitions, intramurals. मैं करवाऊंगा नहीं कुछ. ठीक है? Anyhow, अभी question answers. If you got any doubt, you can unmute yourself and you can ask. Not a problem. Or if you can just chat also. If you have got any query, please chat. Put your question in the chat box. Yeah. It's Parjad Mukherjee. Why the BMI is different for the Asians and non-Asians? Again, according to the geographical conditions, according to the body composition is different. So even in our country also, you might have seen that if it is you seen the Northeast people as well as the Punjabi people, you can see the difference. So BMI is different for different people. And again, if you are a good bodybuilder, his BMI may show as obese, but it's not necessary because the muscular strength, the muscular weight will be added to that. And let me see the next question. Very good, Disha. Yeah, you have started workout during lockdown. Good. मुझे सिर्फ इतना ही सुनना है कि आपको कुछ वर्कआउट करें. मेरे ओर से कुछ चाहिए तो बता दो. Any more questions you can ask? I was before starting my session, I had a discussion word with my daughter that I'm going to take a session. Then मेरी बेटी ने स्ट्रेस करके बोला कि पापा बच्चों को बोल देना कि पानी पीने के बारे में भी थोड़ी याद दिला दो. I too agree. मैंने इसमें डाला नहीं है, but it's regarding that we should have minimum 2.5 to 3 liters of water a day. And ये ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको जब प्यास लग रही है तब पानी पीना चाहिए. No, दैट मीन्स आप वो स्टार कर रहे हो, यू आर स्टार्विंग फूड दैट वाटर, दैट थर्स्ट होना चाहिए, वो नहीं। जब आपको थर्स्ट ना लगे तब आपको पानी पीना। नेक्स्ट अगेन, हाउ टू चीव द फूड। व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू टेक राउंड्स during school time, during recess, I've seen that कि बच्चे पहले खाना जितनी जल्दी हो खाकर फिनिश करके दौड़ना, मतलब खेलने के लिए दौड़ना चाहते, पुश एंड पुल करना। For your understanding, let me tell you one. A food you should, when you eat it, you should chew 32 times on an average to digest that food. मतलब 32 times आपको चबा चबा के खाना चाहिए। आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, ये तो हालत खराब हो जाएगी आपका, बट एंड अगेन दिस रेशियो चेंजेस, मतलब विथ द मीट फूड, द नॉन वेज फूड एंड वेज फूड डिपेंड। पानी तो आप चबा चबा तो खाओगे नहीं ये वाला, तो 32 टाइम्स इट्स डिपेंड अपॉन द फूड आइटम फॉर, तो मिनिमम 32 टाइम्स। उसमें क्या होता है कि द टेक्सचर शुड चेंज, तब तक आपको करना है उसमें, एंड अगेन यू विल नॉट बी ओवरवेट और ओबीस। या नेक्स्ट, लेट मी सी द क्वेश्चन। Yeah, any more questions are there, you can please ask. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
तो फिर क्वेश्चन क्यों नहीं पूछ रहा? ये पार्थ बोल रहा है, पार्थ कोहली। कौन? हु इज दिस? पारिजात। या, तो कैन आई सी ऑल योर फोटो वीडियो? कितने मोटे हो गए, थोड़ा देख सकता हूँ? और नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, इट्स ओके। Yeah, I'm happy that the strength is 44, 45. Good. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask. And even अगर आप यहाँ पर पूछ नहीं पा रहे, put a doubt in my WhatsApp. I'll be answering that. And good. Who is that? Mansi. Any information about Inder House? As expected. मैं मानसी से ही एक्सपेक्ट कर सकता हूँ ऐसा। अभी सिचुएशन में इंटर हाउस क्या करवाना है, थोड़ा आइडिया भी तो दे दो, क्या होना चाहिए? घर में बैठ के तो इंटर हाउस तो होगा नहीं, बट डोंट वरी, वी आर ऑल ट्राइंग आवर लेवल बेस्ट की अगर इफ कंडीशंस ऑल आर फेवरेबल, अगर सपोर्ट हायर अथॉरिटी से मिल जाएगा तो विल स्टार्ट द स्कूल वेरी सून। देन उसके बाद देखेंगे, देयर आर सर्टेन रेस्ट्रिक्शंस फॉर कॉन्टैक्ट स्पोर्ट्स, बट विल ट्राई टू डू सम ऑफ द अदर एक्टिविटी एंड exercises already I got that one second. Yeah, by following Sejal, yeah, good one. By following social distance we can do something, and you only have to give me the name of the games which can be done in that. The lockdown, my father bought for me to. Okay, Priyanshu, it's good. Other day because see the thing is that any the trimmer part, it's you are using an automatic or an extra equipment. See, as I've told you, in your age, simple physical activity using your own body resistance is enough. मतलब मैं पुशअप कर रहा हूँ, काफ़ी है, उससे मसल्स भी डेवलप हो रहे हैं एंड आपको जो एनर्जी चाहिए वो भी मिलता है। देन कम्स, अगर आप पुलअप, तो ऑप्शन नहीं है पुलअप करने के लिए, देन वी आर डूइंग सिटअप्स, क्रंचेस, देयर आर एन नंबर, देयर आर डिफरेंट डिफिकल्टी लेवल। आई हैव टोल्ड यू नाउ, आई I'll be giving, I'll be starting a WhatsApp challenge, WhatsApp group named Fitness Challenge. Please enroll in that. Before that, you ask your parents' permission and पापा मम्मी को भी इसमें रॉप इन करो। ऑल कैन डू दिस फिटनेस चैलेंज। उसके बाद कोई भी एक्टिविटी करो, मैंने डिफरेंट लेवल्स का एक्टिविटी आपको दे रहा हूँ, उसमें कोई एक एक्टिविटी करो, देन पोस्ट इट एदर इन दैट व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप और टू माई पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप, सो दैट विल कंपाइल इट एंड विल सी दैट कि हमारा क्या है। लेट अस सी दैट कितना आप कर रहे हो, आप जो बोल रहे हो कि कंटिन्यूसली आप कर रहे हो पूरे ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन के पीरियड में, लेट मी सी क्या हो एंड डिफरेंट लेवल्स। इसके अलावा इफ यू आर फीलिंग दैट द लेवल्स विच आई हैव गिवन इज टफ, you can do simple activities, you can do for skipping, like rope jump बोलते हैं जो skipping, आप skipping rope नहीं है तो विदाउट skipping आप jump कर सकते हो, या जंपिंग जैक्स, कोई भी एक्टिविटी जो मैंने आपको बता दिया। और पीपीटी आई विल फॉरवर्ड ऑल द कार्डियो रेस्पिरेटरी जो फिटनेस कॉम्पोनेंट्स डेवलप करने वाले जो भी फैक्टर्स है वो सब आपको इम्प्रूव करो। तो मेन इंपॉर्टेंस हेल्थ रिलेटेड फिटनेस कॉम्पोनेंट, you Later on I'll just explaining the main specific or task oriented or performance related fitness कॉमन, वो भी आपको मैं बता दूंगा, बट ये बहुत जरूरी है. This I'm explaining not only for you. I want that you should inform or whatever I've explained and show your slides to your parents और दादा दादी या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स है, उनको दिखाओ. स्लो स्लो एक्टिविटीज आपको करना शुरू करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ओके, तो अगर और कुछ ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं हैं तो शैल बी वाइंड अप. और कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ सकते. फॉलो सोशल डिस्टेंस सेजल, यस श्योर विल ट्राई, कुछ ना कुछ एक्टिविटी हम करेंगे. एक्सटर्नल कंपटीशन तो जा नहीं सकते तो इंटरनल कॉम्पिटिशन करेंगे. टीटी बैडमिंटन, यस वो विल सोचेंगे उसके बारे में. नहीं, जब भी खुलेगा, जनवरी है या फरवरी है, तभी कम से कम मैं एक गेम तो आपको करवाऊंगा. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, दैट्स माय वर्ड. ओके, नाउ दिस चैलेंज मैं इन शॉर्ट टाइम में आपको चैलेंज का भेजूंगा. एक्चुअली 6 to 8 स्टैंडर्ड का भी कल मैंने टॉपिक ये उनको भी एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ. एंड उसके बाद एक फिटनेस चैलेंज का वीडियो मैं आपको भेजूंगा. प्लीज डू सम एक्टिविटी. ये चैलेंज एक तरह का आपका इंट्रिंसिक मोटिवेशन होता है, मतलब अंदर से आपके आना चाहिए. ये तो एक्सट्रिंसिक, मैंने तो आपको मैक्सिमम मोटिवेट कर रहा हूँ आपको करने के लिए, लेकिन आपके मन से अंदर से आना चाहिए कि आई शुड डू सम एक्टिविटी. अगेन दैट आई शुड से दैट कि आपको ओबेस कैसे, आप कितने मोटे हो या कितना फैट आपका है वो आप देख सकते हो. लाइक वॉइस का जो है देखा जाएगा तो इस साइड में मेनली ये एरिया में, इस साइड में अगर आप पकड़ के देखोगे यू कैन फील. वन मेथड इज ये वाला, आपको फैट में अगर आपको वेट आ रहा है, स्किन दैट इज एडिपोज टिश्यू आ रहा है, तो इट्स ओबेस मेजर कर सकते हैं कितना फैट है. सेकंड जो बॉयज का आ रहा है नियर अम्बिलिकल कोड, यहाँ पर सेंटर में आप अगर ऐसा पकड़ रहे हो आप, तो यू कैन फील दैट, हाँ, नियर टू योर एब्डोमेन या अम्बिलिकल कोड, वहाँ पर सीधा आपको ये पकड़ना है विथ योर स्किन एडिपोज टिश्यू. थर्ड वन इज आपके थाइस में, अगेन इन वर्टिकल वे आपको ऐसा पकड़ना है. वर्टिकल वे में आपको थाइस को ऐसा पकड़ना है, थाइस को ऐसा पकड़ना है. एंड अगेन दिस वे बॉयज का, एंड अगेन फॉर गर्ल्स इट विल बी हियर ट्राइसेप्स में आप पकड़ के देखिए तो आपको मालूम पड़ेगा कितना आप फैट आप में डिपॉजिट. देन द नेक्स्ट वन इज अगेन गर्ल्स के लिए, बॉयज के लिए यहाँ है तो गर्ल्स के लिए यहाँ है इस साइड. एंड थर्ड अगेन आपके थाइस में. तो बाय हैविंग अ होल्ड ऑफ दिस यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि कितना फैट बॉडी में. ये पापा मम्मी दादा दादी सबको एप्लीकेबल है, बट पहले बोल देना पापा मम्मी को कि मैं फैट चेक करने जा रहा हूँ, नहीं तो सीधा पेट पे पकड़ोगे तो वहीं पर ही मिल जाएगा पापा मम्मी से. ओके, देन व्हाट एल्स. ओके, तो विद दिस वी आर वाइंडिंग अप. थैंक्स अ लॉट एंड सॉरी फॉर द इनकन्वीनियंस, बीच में वो कट हो गया तो गेट यूज्ड टू दैट. And again I repeat, if you need any guidance for this activity, please feel free to call me and just put a message in the WhatsApp. I'm there to help you out. Okay? Later हम देखेंगे कि अगर everything goes well, again but ऑनलाइन ही चल रहा है, तो हम सुबह या शाम को कोई भी थोड़ा एक्टिविटी, थोड़ा देर कुछ एक्सरसाइज में आपको करके दिखाने की कोशिश करूंगा. विथ मी यू कैन लाइक ए लाइव सेशन विल ट्राई टू डू. एनी योर प्लान तो है, विल. ओके, and thanks a lot. Good day. Stay home, stay safe. चलो बच्चों.